this class, we will discuss about Schrödinger wave equation. To explain the behavior of electron in an atom, Schrödinger formulated a new mechanics known as wave mechanics or quantum mechanics. These mechanics gave birth to a new model of atom known as wave mechanical model of atom or quantum mechanical model of atom. Here, a very important equation is Schrödinger wave equation. This equation is del square psi plus 8 pi square m by h square into e minus v into psi equals to 0. Here, del square equals to del 2 by del x square plus del 2 by del y square plus del 2 by del z square. So, we can write this equation by del 2 psi by del x square plus del 2 psi by del y square plus del 2 psi by del z square plus 8 pi square m by h square into e minus v into psi equals to 0. Here, E is total energy of the system. V potential energy of the system. M mass of electron. H Planck's constant. Del square is an operator and psi is wave function. So, this is Schrödinger wave equation. Now, shape of orbitals. The 3D region in the space around the nucleus in which the probability of finding an electron is maximum is called orbital, and the spatial distribution of electron cloud decides the shape of orbitals. These electron cloud may not be of uniform density everywhere in an orbital. So, there may be one or more points or planes where the probability of finding an electron is 0. Such points or such planes are called nodal points or nodal planes. So, in these points or in these planes, the electron density is found to be 0. Now, the shape of s orbital. S orbitals are spherically symmetrical around the nucleus. That means the probability of finding electron at a particular distance from the nucleus is same in all directions. This is shape of 1s orbital, and 1s orbital does not contain any node. We can calculate the number of nodes present in an orbital by n minus l minus 1. For 1s orbital, n equals to 1 and l equals to 0. So, n minus l minus 1 equals to 0. So, 1s orbital does not contain any node, and the probability distribution curve of 1s orbital is this. Here, r is distance from the nucleus and 4 pi r square psi square is distribution function. At this point, r equals to 0, and probability of finding an electron in the nucleus of the atom. And when the distance from the nucleus r increases, the electron density also increases. And at this point, the electron density is maximum. And again r increases, but electron density decreases. This is the probability distribution curve of 1s orbital. Now, for 2s orbital, n equals to 2, l equals to 0, and n minus l minus 1 equals to 1. So, 2s orbital contains one node, and the shape of the orbital is here this x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is one node present in the 2s orbital. And the probability distribution curve for 2s orbital is at this point r equals to 0 and electron density is 0. And this is one node present in the 2s orbital. First r increasing and electron density also increasing. At this point electron density increases. But here electron density is again 0 in the nodal point. Again r increases and electron density increases, and at this point it becomes maximum. Again electron density decreases with increasing r. Now the shape of 3s orbital. For 3s orbital, n equals to 3, l equals to 0 and n minus l minus 1 equals to 2. So 3s orbital contains two nodes, and the shape of orbitals this is for 3s orbital, and these are two nodes. And the probability distribution curve for 3s orbital here, these are nodal points. Two nodes are present in 3s orbital. Here electron density will be maximum, and by increasing r, electron density again decreases. Now, shape of p orbitals. There are three p orbitals, px, py and pz. This is for px orbital. Py orbital. And this is for pz orbital. So the shape of p orbitals dumbbell shaped. Two lobes are present, and at the nodal point two lobes meet together. Now shape of d orbitals. There are 5 d orbitals: dxy, dxz, dyz, dx square minus y square and dz square. This is for dxy. and this is dz square orbital. Now we will learn how to write electronic configuration. To write electronic configuration, first we will write the principal quantum number, that is the number mentioning the cells. Like for K cell n equals to 1, for L cell n equals to 2, n is principal quantum number. Then we will write the symbol of subcell, S, P, D or F subcell. So for n equals to 1, L equals to 0, that means S subcell. First we will write 1, then subcell S, 1s, and the number of electrons present in 1s orbital will be written on the top right of this symbol. If 1 electron is present, then it will be 1s1. If 2 electrons are present, then it will be 1s2. So for hydrogen, atomic number is 1 and 1 electron is present in hydrogen. The electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. This is 1s orbital and only 1 electron is present here. For helium, atomic number 2 and electron number is also 2. So electronic configuration is 1s2. So in the 1s orbital, 2 electrons are present. Lithium, the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s1, total 3 electrons. In the 1s orbital, 2 electrons, and in 2s orbital, 1 electron. This is 1s, this is 2s. Beryllium, atomic number 4. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2. Boron, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. This is 1s, 2 electrons are present. This is 2s, 2 electrons are present, and there are 3 p orbitals and only 1 electron is present in 2p. Now neon, atomic number 10. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, total 8, 10 electrons. In 1s, 2 electrons, 2s, 2 electrons, and 2p, total 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 2p. Now we will learn how to write the electronic configuration of cations and anions. The electronic configuration of sodium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Total 11 electrons are present in sodium. Now to form cation, the outermost cell electron will be removed and cation will be formed. So here outermost cell, that means in 3s orbital 1 electron is present, and to form Na plus ion, this 1 electron will be removed. So the electronic configuration of Na plus will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. This outermost cell electron will be removed to form Na plus ion. Manganese, atomic number 25, and electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d, 4s. From Aufbau principle, we know that first electron will come in 4s orbital, then 3d orbital will be filled up. So here 2 electrons, then 2, 8, 10, 16, 18, 25 electrons will be present in 3d. So the electronic configuration of Mn2 plus, these 2 electrons present in the 4s orbital will be removed to form Mn2 plus, and the electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d5. Next, iron. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d4s. First 2 electrons will be present here, then 6 electrons in the 3d orbital. And the electronic configuration of Fe2 plus is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 2 electrons from the outermost shell will be removed to form Fe2 plus 3d6. This is electronic configuration of Fe2 plus ion. Now, to form anions, electron will be accommodated in the outermost shell of the atom. So, oxygen, atomic number 8, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. For O2 minus, 2 electrons will be accommodated in the 2p orbital because maximum 6 electrons can be present in 2p orbital. So, the electronic configuration of O2 minus is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, and 2 electrons is coming 6. So, for oxygen, this is 1s2, 2s2, and 2p4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 electrons are present. In O2 minus, these 2 electrons will be accommodated here and 2p6 will be formed. Next, fluorine. Atomic number 9 and electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. To form F minus ion, 1 electron will be accommodated in the 2p orbital. So, electronic configuration of F minus is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Now, we will see the electronic configuration of chromium and copper. There are some exceptions in case of chromium and copper. Chromium atomic number is 24 and the electronic configuration should be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d4s, 4s2 and 3d4. In case of d4 and d9 system, one electron from 4s orbital comes in the d orbital and the d orbital becomes d5, or in case of d9 it becomes d10, and d5 orbital is half filled because total 10 electrons can be present in d orbital and 5 electrons present, so it is half filled configuration, and d10 is full filled or completely filled configuration. And these half filled and full filled configurations imparts extra stability. So, it becomes more stable when the orbitals are half filled or completely filled. So, the configuration, electronic configuration of chromium will be 4s1 and 3d5. For chromium, here d5 is half filled configuration. Similarly, in case of copper, 29 electrons are present and the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d4s, 4s2, 3d9. But similarly, d9 system, so 4s, 1 electron is coming here and d10 configuration will be completely filled and copper will possess extra stability. Now, we will discuss about some definitions. First, atomic number. Generally, atomic number is represented by Z, and the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is atomic number. In a neutral atom, number of protons present in the nucleus is equal to the number of electrons present outside the nucleus. So, atomic number Z equals to number of protons and also equals to number of electrons. In case of neutral atom. Next is mass number. The sum of total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is called mass number. Mass number is represented by A, and mass number A equals to number of protons plus number of neutrons. A equals to Z plus N, where A is mass number, Z is atomic number, and atomic number is equals to number of protons, and number of neutrons is N. So from here, N equals to A minus Z. That means number of neutrons equals to mass number minus atomic number. If the symbol of an atom is X, then we can represent this atom by this, where Z is atomic number and A is mass number. And from A minus Z, we can find the number of neutrons present in the nucleus of this atom. Now, isotopes. The atomic species of an element possessing similar atomic numbers but different mass numbers are called isotopes. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes: protium, deuterium and tritium. Here same element, atomic numbers same but mass numbers are different. Another example is oxygen. 8O16, 8O17 and 8O18. Here atomic numbers same, elements same but mass numbers are different. So these are the isotopes of oxygen and these are the isotopes of hydrogen. In case of isobar, atomic number is different but mass number same. For example, 18 argon 40 and 20 calcium 40. Here atomic numbers are different, so elements are also different but mass numbers are same. These are isobars. In case of isotone, atomic number different but neutron number same. For example, one isotope of hydrogen is deuterium. Here atomic number 1 and mass number 2 and number of neutrons 2 minus 1 equals to 1. This is number of neutrons. And one isotope of helium 2He3. Here atomic number 2 and mass number 3. So number of neutrons 1. Here atomic numbers are different, mass numbers are different but neutron numbers are same. So these are isotones. Now isodiapher. In case of isodiaphers, difference of neutron minus proton is same. N is number of neutrons and P is number of protons. When alpha particle emitted from a nuclide, one nuclide is formed and these two nuclides are isodiaphers. For example, when 92 uranium-238 from this nuclide, after alpha particle emission, 90 thorium-234. This is formed. In case of uranium, 92 U-238, Z equals to 92 and number of protons is 92 and mass number A equals to 238. So number of neutrons equals to 238 minus 92 equals to 146. Now neutron minus protons equals to 146 minus 92 equals to 54. And in case of thorium, Z equals to 90, that means proton 234. So neutron number 234 minus 90 equals to 144. So neutron minus proton equals to 144 minus 90 equals to 54. So in case of uranium and thorium, neutron minus proton difference is same. So these are isodiaphers. Now isostars, the molecules having same number of atoms and same number of electrons are called isostars. For example, CO2 and N2. Here 3 atoms are present. 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms. And here 2 nitrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atoms. That is 3 atoms. And here 22 electrons are present. 6 electrons of carbon and 8 electrons from oxygen, 2 oxygens, so 16. That means total 22 electrons. Here 1 nitrogen, 7 electrons, 2 nitrogen, 14 electrons and 1 oxygen, 8 electrons. That is 22 electrons. So these are isostars having same number of atoms and same number of